Hello and welcome back. I'm doing a quick video on a theory that I have. I'm going to see if what I think with the issue that I'm having with the car. I'm going to see if this is the reason why it sounds and it's doing the things it's doing. So let's get started. Put my battery box down real quick. Go ahead and unlock the car. Wrong key. So, like I said, I'm gonna unlock the car, which I'm on the wrong side. I'm gonna do this real quick. Oh, wait. Oh, now you don't want to unlock? Oh crap! I'm about to put it down. I was turning it the wrong goddamn way. Ain't that about a problem?
Stupid dude.
Okay. We're gonna do this just like this. I don't know if the wind is up, how windy it is. Hopefully it's not too windy. And it, messes up everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna pull my stuff off. Oh shoot. And go straight to my theory. Pull my stuff off, put it in the back, see if I can get this to fold like so. I think, and I never put the screws in this, so it's gonna make it easier. But I'm gonna move this, put it in the back, and it exposes my ECU. So I am going to pull my ECU and see if this other ECU has my car make my car sound different, and see if my fuel injectors fire in the right order, and go from there. Maybe just doing this to see if I have a bad ECU. Like I said, I had bought this ECU off of eBay 2 years ago. I don't know if ECUs loses their base map, but at the same time, I don't have the original ECU or the ECU that I need to do the VTEC setup. So I'm going to put this one that I got a while back just to do some tests. So I'm going to test this real quick and go from there. So I am pulling this out right now, as you can see, hopefully. And crap, what do I do with it? And I'm just gonna grab my other ECU real quick. Grab my other ECU. I don't remember what I did with it. I know I didn't take it in the house, did I? Okay, let's see if we can find this real quick. I don't think I took it in the house. Okay, let's do a quick cut and I'll be right back. I'm back. I did take it in the house. That's the funny thing about it, I did. So this is my ECU I'm going to test. It's off of 95 Honda Civic EX VTEC. Like I said, I got this one, and I'm going to see if this works for my test that I'm trying to do, and go from there. Yes, I know it won't run my VTEC because it's not chipped or whatever, but at the same time, I just want to see if it fires differently or whatever. and see if my theory is, or whatever I predict. Hopefully, okay, I gotta get my battery box. So let me cut to trying to start the car. Okay, we are picking up for me trying to start the car right now to see if this ECU works. Turn that heater off. Let's see if it does any different. Sounds totally different. Sounds much stronger. Sounds like it doesn't have that whine it had. Like I said, it sounds much beefier. So I either have a bad ECU or something, because like I said, it sounds totally different than what it sounded the last time I started it. It sounds much stronger and more alive. I'm still going to take this motor out. I'm still going to take this motor out and rebuild it and stuff like that. But I'm not going to put this motor back in the car until I'm ready to turbo it. But I'm going to put this one in that I have in the garage, which you can't see it, but the one I had showed on my previous video. I'm going to put that one in the car, and you know, after I get injectors and all that good stuff, I mean, just everything that I'm going to be doing, I want to put it in this motor. But like I said, I will, maybe, not saying I will, not saying I won't, but maybe I'll put this one back in after I rebuild it and get it the way I want it. I'll put this one back in and then go from there. So like I said, it just sounds totally different. It sounds much stronger. It doesn't have that lagging sensation. I wonder, let me let it warm up, and then we'll go for a quick test drive to see if it'll let me drive it. And if it doesn't let me drive it, then I know what I'll have to do and stuff like that. So we're gonna cut right here, and I'll come back and when I'm ready to, after it warms up, should I say. Okay, we're back. Sorry it took so long, but I'm gonna try to drive it. And yes, I do have a check engine light on. I do know for a fact it will not, this ECU will not engage VTEC, but I just want to see if what I predicted is gonna do its justice. So I'm going to try to drive this one. I know I have power steering issues and stuff like that. Like I said, I do have a check engine light on. You can see it, it's right there, check engine light on. I'm going to try to drive it. I can't go too far because it doesn't have tags and stuff on it, so I can't go too far, but I got to be in gear first. And it's like I said, it has a little, like it wants to go. Okay guys, I am so sorry, so sorry. I did drive around the block. I had to hurry and get back home because I did see a cop. My GoPro did die. Sorry about that, but it ran. I will have to change out the pressure plate and the clutch, because the simple fact is it's a lightweight clutch, and I think I'm gonna have to put the other one on. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm not gonna do it until after I get this, like I said, get this motor set up, get it the way I want it. But I am super stoked that it drove and it sounds as healthy as it did before. But like I said, if I would have had probably the original clutch and flywheel and throwout bearing and stuff on, it would have probably did different or drove differently. It did die on me because it didn't want to accelerate, because like I said, it wants to go, but with that lightweight clutch and flywheel, it didn't want to engage, or it just felt like, it almost seemed like it was just still spinning and not doing what it was supposed to be doing. And on top of that, once I get this done, I am going to take this transmission off, and then the transmission that I have like I said on the other video, I am going to be rebuilding this rebuilding this transmission that I have, for this car, so that way I can put the original transmission that came with the motor back in the car. So with that being said, this is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and cut it short right here. Like I said, I'm so sorry that you missed me driving it and stuff like that, but like I said, it did drive. But I'm going to end it here. Like, subscribe. If you want to see more content on this build, on this project, subscribe, and we will talk to you later.